Mastering the art of the carve unlocks a new dimension of snowboarding. Today, we're diving deep into progressive carving techniques for advanced riders, focusing on seamless transitions and precise edge control. As you initiate your carve, focus on a balanced and athletic stance. Keep your shoulders aligned with your board and your weight centered. This is your foundation for control. As you transition from one edge to the other, it's not about a sudden shift, but a gradual, smooth pressure release and reapplication. Think of it as rolling from one edge to the other, not snapping. To deepen your carve, gradually angulate your body. This involves tipping your ankles and knees towards the slope, while keeping your upper body relatively stable. This increases your edge angle, allowing for tighter, more dynamic turns. The transition is key. As you finish a toe-side carve, gently release pressure from your front foot and begin to bring your weight back towards the center, preparing for the heel-side engagement. Simultaneously, subtly lift your heels to engage the heel edge. It's a fluid, almost dance-like movement where your body's pressure and angles work in harmony. For the heel-side carve, the principle is the same but reversed. Extend your legs slightly, pressing down through your heels to deepen the edge and maintain that upper body alignment. Practice completing these turns with a consistent radius and a continuous flow. Focus on the feeling of your edges gripping the snow and the smooth transfer of pressure as you move from toe to heel and back again. With dedicated practice on edge control and smooth transitions, you'll unlock the true potential of your carving, transforming every descent.